Thursday, November 14th. No, wrong. Sometimes I get the days wrong. It's crazy. It is Wednesday, November 14th, and I'm on my way over to the high school for a meeting with Thomas's guidance counselor just to review all his college stuff. It's at 11:05. In like 4 minutes I'll be on time, maybe. Anyway, I do the best I can. Yeah, we want to go over all of his colleges that he's applying to. We'll just make sure I'm not missing anything, or you know, just kind of calendar everything that we still need to do, like scheduling auditions and things like that. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. Tomorrow's only November 15th. They're saying 1 to 3 inches. So John's still in California, and he just texted me that I need to go buy a shovel. After I have this meeting, I'm going to work. I've not been able to work very much because I'm just too overstressed, and there's too much to do and too much to manage, especially when I'm by myself. You know, like Daniel's doctor's appointments, and yeah, it's just a lot. It is a lot. If you ever saw what I've been trying to do is calendar things and schedule them at specific times. It pushes me to meet a goal, and it just kind of helps me keep more aware of how I'm using my time during the day. You know, because time can get away from you sometimes, you know, and you're just like, What I'm not doing a good job of over the past week or two is my self-care. I'm supposed to be exercising and going to therapy. Sometimes just too many things to do, for me anyway. It just gives me so much stress because I can't just not do things that have to be done, like paying bills and scheduling and getting to doctor's appointments and getting medications and calling the hospital and just all these things that have to be arranged. And it takes up time out of your day, and then suddenly you're like, well, when am I going to work? I need to make money. And this is why my videos are often so delayed, because I'm just overwhelmed. I'm glad that I can get done the things that I do get done, but I'm supposed to be taking care of my back and my health. So I know that. I need to keep trying. I had what felt like a manic kind of day, and now I'm back home and I'm gonna have some food. I got groceries everywhere. I don't know. I'm tired. I got laundry. I got stuff. I'm just like, it's cold out. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. John's not here, and I'm just like, Chris, I do not know how clean this floor is.
Chris isn't here.
Chris, oh no, I just feel bad. Hi. Hi. How was school today? Was school good? Did you know I was in your school today?
Really?
Yep. I came in to meet with Thomas's guidance counselor. Right. Yeah. No, we went over his college stuff. And then I went down to the special ed office, and I saw Miss Gonski. Mrs. Gonski. Is it Mrs. Gonski?
I guess so.
And we talked about they talked about you. You know, I went there, but I didn't have time because I figured you were probably getting ready to go home. It was like 12 something.
Should have been well, it's either he's at lunch or he's at the class that...
Yeah, I just met with her briefly because she showed me 3 rooms for his end of the year celebration I want to have. So now I know. I just have to think. It's like small, medium, large. I have to decide which room for his party. And I might just go with the lecture hall because...
Yeah, I like that room.
That'll give us enough room. She said we could put tables in there to put food on.
It works out well.
Are you looking forward to snow? A week from tomorrow, your sister's gonna be home. Do you miss Sarah? Sarah's coming home. Are you excited to have Thanksgiving with Sarah and share your birthdays? You do, you know. What do you want for your birthday? It's a special one. What do you want? I know, you're 21, but that doesn't mean I'm going to let you drink beer. I love when you talk to me like this. Do you know how far away Sarah lives? California. All right, I'm going to go eat my dinner. Is that okay? Yeah, and feed the dogs. Pie pickup night. And I was home here chatting with Thomas. So I got to run to pick up my pies. It was a fundraiser. I totally forgot. The girl's like, you really have to pick up your pies. I said, 11 pies that I sold. Well, most of them I bought some for the holidays. This is what the peanut butter pie looks like. I got a bunch in the freezer. Chocolate peanut butter cream pie. This one is for Judy. She bought it. But I have like 8 pies down there. Oh, excuse me. Chris bought a few. Judy bought one. The rest I put in the freezer. A couple of pumpkin, couple of apple, couple of cream. And then, look at him. He's so sweet. I need to get his hair cut because John's going to come home and go, he needs a haircut. He likes his hair short. Good night, Daniel. That's one amazing young man right there. Come on. It's 10:13 right now. I'm going to finish uploading my vlog and bring my stuff upstairs and try to go to bed. Lately I haven't been sleeping very well. I've been waking up 3 or 4 times. Spoiled puppies having bedtime snacks. One more cookie and then you go to sleep. These are Natural Balance limited ingredient treats for small breeds. Sweet potato chicken. You guys like these little cookies? They're small. One for you. Shake a paw. Thank you. This one. And with the paw. Thank you. There you go. Here you go. All right. Let's go to bed. All right. Good night. I'll talk to you in the morning or whenever. Soon. This is the new washer. Hold to start. It is a Maytag. Old dryer, new washer. Love it. So it is 2:30 and it's not snowing yet, but it's supposed to start any second. I have to leave here at about, excuse me, 5:30 to go pick John up. Hopefully his plane will land at, I think it's supposed to land around 6:40 in Westchester, which is about 30, 45 minutes from here. I'm very excited about the new washing machine. You know, it was an expense that was a little above, but we would have had to spend about $500 to fix the old machine, which was a really good machine that was donated. So it was one of those, you know, you really can't win. Snowing! It's snowing! The first snowfall of the year, November 15th. Yeah, crazy. It is snowing like crazy. I'm gonna get the fire warmed up here because I let it go out because I was busy doing other things. So I don't know what's happening. John is stuck in Atlanta right now. His flight home was canceled. And yeah, it got a little blizzardy action going on out there. It's really freezing. It's like 20 degrees. It's supposed to warm up through the course of the night and maybe even turn into rain tomorrow. But it's really cold. Thomas has been doing a great job staying on top of it. I don't know, maybe John. He said he was trying to get home tonight still. I just don't know what he's going to do. So, okay, friends. I'm going outside for a minute. I have to make sure the top of the driveway is okay so Judy can get out. The dogs did not like the snow. It is really cold, like bitter cold. It's weird. It's supposed to change over and then rain, but John is still in Atlanta. He supposedly, he says he got on the 9:12 flight to Westchester, but yeah, look what this is doing. I don't know if he's gonna come in tonight. I'll be really, really surprised if he gets home tonight. He might have to stay overnight at the airport. I don't know. But I'm going to try to shovel a little bit because I have to at least keep the... This is way more than 3 inches. They said 1 to 3, turning to rain. There's at least 6 inches out here. It's got to be. Look. Like this much. I know. That car is not making it. Cars like ours seem to be doing okay. Holy moly. Alright, I did that much. I can't do any more. My back is starting to tighten up. Thomas and I are taking turns. John still doesn't know if he's coming home or not. He keeps texting me, I got a 9 o'clock flight. No, it's 10. I have a feeling they're going to cancel his flight, but maybe not. I don't know. I just hope I don't have to drive out at midnight. I'm going to have Thomas sit with Daniel, which I really don't like. And I really don't want to drive in this. It's really slippery. I've been watching the cars like sliding up the road. And sometimes it's not so much your car that you're worried about. I have 4-wheel drive, which I still have to be really careful. But like there was a car going up the road that clearly did not, and he was not making it. Like he was sliding all over the place. So people can collide, you know. It's dangerous. Very, very dangerous. What? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, Judy took an Uber. He seemed to get here okay. He looked like he had a pretty big car. It's really slippery. It's like turning a little bit warmer, so it's like heavier. I can't do any more. That's it. I'm gonna go try to charge my phone up. Oh, it's dying. And keep track of what John's doing. Boy, he said if he gets home, he might try to take a rental car or get a car home, but yeah, I don't know.